Today we are discussing one of the topic. The topic name is Gillu. It's taken from the prose for the standard of intermediate first year, second language Hindi. In previous class, we are discussed three topics with the same topic of Gillu. In previous class, we are discussed biography of authors and who are the character person in this story. What are the relation between the author and the pet animal of the squirrel. In this part, we are discussing the Gillu's attachment with the master, that means authoress Mahadevi Varma. Here, Mahadevi Varma was very like the pet animals. That example, they taken the one of a pet squirrel. Attachment of Mahadevi Varma is very with the pet animal of a squirrel is very appreciate. Here, the very good, loving opportunity. So, in this part, the totally Gillu was one of the pet animal of the squirrel. It's celebrating of the one first birthday, means it's completed 1 year period. At the time, the other squirrels came to the window and make a sound of kitch kitch. The authors not identified what are they doing, but most probably the movement of the squirrels in the window side. Here welcoming the pet animal of the squirrel as Mahadevi Varma. Here came to the window side. The Gillu came to the window side and she tried to open the bone corner. That means Mahadevi Varma was identified what is the squirrel's need. Immediately the Mahadevi Varma opened the corners, the screws, and really the pet animal of the squirrel came outside from the cage and feel very freedom. And the Gillu came to the window side and the close with other squirrels and played up to evening session. As per their movements, the Mahadevi Varma authoress watched and identified it's feel very happy. After some time, they came to the Mahadevi, the squirrel, the pet squirrel came to the Mahadevi Varma and she is love very much. Here congrats to the Mahadevi Varma for giving this the freedom, this much of freedom. So Mahadevi Varma was here tells that the Gillu was playing with freedom with the other friends of the squirrels. Unexpectedly, the Mahadevi Varma was the wounded with a car accident. At the time, the pet animal of the squirrel was not taken any food or not touched the food. As per their feeling, it was very sad. And here, after a few days, the Mahadevi Varma came to the house and take as a rest period. At the time, the pet animal of the squirrel came to the Mahadevi Varma's head side and set the pillow, and she was putting the small paws of its small paws on the head of Mahadevi Varma, and sometimes it's slowly touch the Mahadevi Varma's head too. As per the pet animal of Mahadevi Varma's services, Mahadevi Varma was feel very happy and it is satisfied with its services. When the touch the Gillu's pass to the head of the Mahadevi Varma, the Mahadevi Varma was feel very happy and she was very feel and a very peacefulness in the heart. This much of a matter is given the moral. It's moral, that is the pet animals and the masters, the loving opportunity between them. So how to explain? It can't explain the loving attachment of the master and the pet animals. So you not only heard or read the matter, you can identify this what is the moral of this paragraph. You can implement with your life period too. तो इस प्रकार I hope that you can be implement and concentrate your life period too. यहाँ प्रिय छात्रगण, इस अंतर में गिल्लू पाठ से संबंधित भाग नंबर 4 का विश्लेषण किया जा रहा है। ये गिल्लू पाठ जो होता है वो महादेवी वर्मा जी से लिखा गया। महादेवी वर्मा जी अपनी रचना में किस प्रकार की भावना को व्यतीत किया है यानी कि प्रकट किया है, वो प्रीवियस यानी कि पिछले 3 अंतरों में इसका विश्लेषण किया गया और इस पाठ का अंतिम वाला भाग का समापन यानी इस भाग के अंतर्गत किया जा रहा है। ये गिल्लू वाला पाठ जो होता है वो गद्य भाग से लिया गया है, माने आधुनिक गद्य पाठ से लिया गया है। ये वाला विषय इंटरमीडिएट प्रथम वर्ष द्वितीय भाषा हिंदी स्तर के लिए निश्चित है। इस भाग नंबर 4 में महादेवी वर्मा जी ने अपना से पाला गया एक गिल्लू नामक गिलहरी के बच्चे का किस प्रकार प्रेम व्यवहार होता है। जैसे ही इसका प्रथम वर्ष का समापन हो रहा है, मैंने आरंभ हो रहा है, समापन हो रहा है, मैंने इसका जन्म दिवस मनाया जा रहा है, उस समय बाहर की गिलहरियों से उसका लगाव किस प्रकार था। मैंने कहते हैं गिल्लू के जीवन का प्रथम वसंत आया, मीन द टाइम ऑफ द गिल्लूस फर्स्ट बर्थडे। बाहर की गिलहरियों खिड़की की जाली के पास आकर, मीन अदर squirrels are came to the same time, came to the window at the time of celebration of a pet animal squirrel's birthday, first birthday। खिड़की के ना जाने क्या करने के लगी, माने किच किच करने लगी। मन द अदर squirrels came the window and they make a sound। As per their sound, the authors can't identify, can't understood, but they are doing something as a wishes. They wishes the squirrel in their own language. So okay, right. उसे बाहर झांकते देखकर मुझे लगा कि उसे मुक्त करना आवश्यक है। At the time of the squirrels are wishes to the pet squirrel of Mahadevi Varma, at the window side, at the time the squirrel was the pet squirrel was saw them and tried to open their cage, and she tried to the corners side, open the corners side. As per the Gillu's activity, the Mahadevi Varma identified its want, its need, the open the door of a cage, which is which cage is bound to the pet squirrel, right। तो उसे बाहर झांकते देखकर she looking outside of the cage, and मुझे लगा, मुझे means the Mahadevi Varma means authoress, मैंने लेखिका को, या कौन है, लेखिका को लगा कि इसे मुक्त कराना चाहिए। इसे का माने किसे, गिल्लू को मुक्त कराना चाहिए, मैंने रिहा करना चाहिए। मीन्स शी नीड द फ्रीडम, मीन्स इट्स वांट टू ओपन द के, मीन्स केम आउटसाइड ऑफ द केज। गिल्लू खिड़की की खुली जाली की राह बाहर चली जाती है। मीन्स व्हेन द Mahadevi Varma was opened the corner of the cage, the Gillu was, means the pet animal of Mahadevi Varma, the squirrel was came outside and feel, मैंने और दिन भर गिलहरियों से खेलती रहती है। मीन्स they open come outside and it's playing with freedom and happily with other squirrels। नहीं, जैसे मैंने का मतलब लेखिका कीले निकाल कर जाली का एक कोना खोला। Mahadevi Varma was said that when I opened the corner of the bone or that cage of the pet animal, हर पेट एनिमल, गिल्लू ने बाहर जाने पर सचमुच ही मुक्ति की सांस ली। मीन व्हाट फीलिंग ऑफ द पेट एनिमल squirrel means it's free, you are feel very freedom, and they taken freedom, as per freedom they feel happy, right? तो इस प्रकार से जैसे ही महादेव वर्मा जी से गिल्लू का बोन का गिल्लू जिस केज में रखी थी, मैंने जिस जाली में रखी गई थी, उस जाली का एक कोने के स्क्रूओं को मैंने कीलों को जब खोला है तब वो बाहर निकली, जो कहे गिल्लू बाहर निकलकर ऐसी अनुभूति कर रही थी, मीन ऐसे फील कर रही थी कि जैसे उसके लिए कुछ स्वच्छ रूप से उसके लिए स्वतंत्रता मिल गई है। और तुरंत वो कुछ देर में ऐसे अनुभूति करी और उसके साथ अन्य अपने साथी गिलहरियों के साथ वो दिन भर खेलने लगी, मुक्त की सांस ली। और वह मेरी थाली में से once the pet animal of Mahadevi Varma was took one of the rice from the Mahadevi Varma's plate. When the Mahadevi Varma take the food, at that time the pet animal squirrel was came to the Mahadevi Varma and it took one of the rice seed and taken very auto the सफाई से खाती थी, मीन टू ईट द सीड ऑफ द फूड। मीन्स यार उसी बीच मैंने वो किस प्रकार से वो इससे ये प्रतीत होता है, इट्स आइडेंटिफिकेशन, मीन्स इट्स इंडिकेट द लव अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ द स्क्वायर बिटवीन द स्क्वायरल एंड द महादेवी वर्मा मीन ऑथरस, मीन हाउ टू वी मीन तो मीन्स उसी बीच मुझे लाइक आफ्टर सम टाइम द टाइम विल बी passed away, means unexpectedly once the Mahadevi Varma was wounded. One day the Mahadevi Varma was wounded by the in accident, car accident. At the time the Mahadevi Varma was take the treatment in the hospital. There is the Mahadev, pet, the squirrel was very surprising, wondering that there is no Mahadevi Varma, means and she feel very sadness. So, okay, and within a few days the Mahadevi Varma was came again to the reach the home for the take the rest period. At the time of rest period, the squirrel was the मेरी अवस्था में वह गिलहरी तकिए पर सिरहाने बैठकर अपने नन्हे पंजों से मेरे सिर सिर और बालों को सलहारती थी, मीन्स serve that taken the touch the head and the head of the Mahadev authoress, and not only that she can slowly touch the hairs hair of the Mahadevi Varma. Mean at the time the serve this type of services by the gillu, means pet animal. So Mahadevi Varma was feel very happy and glory. So here Mahadevi Varma's pet animal was how to love opportunity to with the authoress. It's very clear, means in this part is very clear. Means what moral we got in this paragraph, I mean in this part, means the how to attachment of the pet animals and the owners, and the how to their love opportunity, and we can identify like the Mahadevi Verma and the squirrel of the pet squirrel of squirrel. So we not only we read or hear, but we can implement our life period too. Mean our pet animals with our pet animals. माने इस प्रकार से हम इस भाग नंबर 4 के अंतर्गत गिल्लू संबंधी भाग नंबर 4 के अंतर्गत हमें ये नीति मिलती है कि हमारे पालतू पशुओं के संबंधी हमारा किस प्रकार का लगाव होनी चाहिए, और इस प्रकार जैसा यहाँ पर महादेवी वर्मा और गिल्लू के बीच प्रेम संबंध होता है, इस प्रकार हम न केवल सुनना चाहिए बल्कि इसको समझना चाहिए, बल्कि इसको अपने जीवन के अंतर्गत अपने पालतू पशुओं के प्रति भी प्रकट करना चाहिए। आशा है कि अवश्य आप इस विषय के नीति को अपने जीवन के अंतर्गत अर्थात अपना कर्तव्य समझकर इसको अपनाएंगे। धन्यवाद।